In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your order as a gift Walmart. If you're sending something to a friend or family member, marking your order as a gift is a quick way to keep prices hidden and include a gift-friendly receipt, so the surprise stays intact. Start by opening your browser and heading to walmart.com. Once the homepage loads, think about what you want to send. If you already have a specific gift in mind, use the search bar right at the top. Click into it and type what you're looking for. Something simple like chocolate works great as an example. Then press enter to see the results. Browse through the results and take a moment to compare options. Look at the product title, price, ratings, and who's selling the item. When possible, confirm it's available for shipping to your recipient's location. Click the item you like to open its product page. Here, double check any choices like size, color, or quantity. Make sure it's exactly what you want to send, and glance at the delivery estimate so the timing lines up with your occasion. When you're ready, click Add or Add to Cart. After adding the item, go to your cart. You can usually get there by clicking the cart icon in the top right corner of the page. Inside the cart, review everything carefully. Confirm the correct item, quantity, and any selected options. It's worth catching small details now, so your gift arrives just the way you intended. Next, scroll down the cart page. On the right-hand side, you'll see the order summary area. Look for the option labeled "This order is a gift." Click to select it. This applies a gift setting to the entire order, telling Walmart to package and invoice it appropriately for gifting. It's an easy switch, but it makes a big difference for the recipient's unboxing experience. Once that's on, you can proceed confidently knowing your order will be treated as a gift. If you're sending gifts to different people, consider placing separate orders so each shipment is marked correctly and goes to the right address. And if you're unsure about delivery timing, check the estimated arrival date in your cart to avoid last-minute stress. That's all there is to it. Go to walmart.com, search for your item, add it to your cart, review the details, scroll down, and turn on "This order is a gift" on the right-hand side. When you're satisfied, continue to check out and finish your purchase as usual. Thanks for watching and happy gifting.